Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, my name is Muhammad Muslihuddin Bazina Madri. I am from DCS4A. In this video, I will present you about the revolution of Industrial 1.0 to 4.0. Okay, let's go. The first industrial revolution began in the 18th century through the use of steam power and mechanization of production. What before produced threads on simple spinning wheels, the mechanized version achieved 8 times the volume in the same time. Steam power was already known. The use of it for industrial purpose was the greatest breakthrough for increasing human productivity. Instead of weaving looms powered by muscle, steam engines could be used for power. Developments such as the steamship or the steam-powered locomotive brought about further massive change because humans and goods could move great distance in fewer hours. Revolution of 2.0. The second industrial revolution began in the 19th century through the discovery of electricity and assembly line production. Henry Ford took the idea of mass production from a slaughterhouse in Chicago. The pigs hung from conveyor belts and each butcher performed only a part of the task of butchering the animal. Henry Ford carried over this principle into automobile production and drastically altered it in the process. While before one station assembled an entire automobile, now the vehicle were produced in partial steps on the conveyor belt, significantly faster and at lower cost. Revolution of 3.0. The third industrial revolution began in the 20th century through partial automation using memory, programmable controls and computers. Since the introduction of these technologies, we are now able to automate an entire production process without human assistance. Known examples of these are robots that perform programmed sequence without human intervention. Okay, lastly, revolution of 4.0. The entire world is undergoing the first industrial revolution. This is characterized by the application of information and communication on technology to industry and is also known as Industry 4.0. It was built on the development of the third industrial revolution. Production systems that already have computer technology are extended with network connections and have a digital twin on the internet, so to speak. This allows communication with other facilities and the output of information about themselves. This is the next step in production automation. The network of all systems leads to a cyber-physical production system and therefore a smart factory where production systems, components and people communicate through the network and production is almost autonomous. When these enablers come together, Industry 4.0 has the potential to deliver some incredible advance in the factory environment. Example include machines that can predict failures and trigger maintenance process autonomously or self-organized logistics that respond to unexpected change in production. And it has the power to change the way people work. Industry 4.0 can draw individuals into smarter networks with potential for more efficient work. Digitization of the manufacturing environment enables more flexible methods of getting the right information to the right people at the right time. The increasing use of digital devices inside and outside the factory means maintenance professional can be provided with equipment of documentation and service history more accurately and at the time of use. Maintenance or professionals want to solve problems, not waste time trying to get the technical information they need. In short, Industry 4.0 is a game changer across industry settings. The digitization of manufacturing will change the way goods are made and distributed, and the way products are serviced and refined. On the basis, it can really lay claim to representing and beginning of the fourth industrial revolution. Okay. The conclusion is Industry 4.0 is a new trend in the world that seeks to improve the working environment in industries, but it has weak points. There is a lack of knowledge regarding Industry 4.0, and few individuals are knowledgeable of its true implication. Furthermore, several sectors are unaware of the benefits of applying Industry 4.0 manufacturing industries, and the Malaysian government will benefit from this research since they will be able to understand the key implication of Industry 4.0. Enterprises must comprehend the application of Industry 4.0. And the government can use this research to assist industries to implement Industry 4.0. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.